Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this tutorial, I am going to discuss about the Postman Visual Studio Code extension, which is provided by the Postman, right? So using this extension, we can directly work on the Visual Studio Code. So you can see here the Postman VS Code extension enables you to develop and test your APIs in Postman directly from Visual Studio Code. So in that case, you don't need the install and set up the Postman. Directly, you can use the Visual Studio Code and then you can work on the Postman and you can create the test script. You can develop the test script for the APIs. So here are few options like what we can do: create and send HTTP, raw WebSocket, gRPC request, import data with curl URL commands, edit and send a request from the workspace request history, create cookies and send with the queries, create and manage collections and environment. Let's see how we install this Visual Studio Code extension. So we need to open the Visual Studio Code. So I'm opening this. I have already installed. So if you have not installed the Visual Studio Code, so first install the Visual Studio Code and then open. Initially, your Visual Studio Code looks like this. If you go in the left side menus, right, there is a extension button is available. Click on this and you will see the extension details. On the top, there is search input field. So here just search Postman and enter. You will see the first option. This is streamlined API development and testing with the power of Postman directly in your favorite ID. So this is basically Postman and you can install this one, right? Let's install this. Click on install button. Now it started the installation. Installation is done, right? Now, once the installation is done, in the left side panel, one more button you will see. This is the Postman. Click on this. Now it will ask to sign up the Postman cloud environment. So connect VS Code with the Postman. We need to sign in. So if you have already account, you can go and sign in. If you are using first time the Postman and don't have any account, then in that case, click on create account button. Now, I'm going to click sign in because I have already the user and password of the Visual Studio Code. So click on this. Here you have option to open, copy, configure, trusted domain, cancel. So I'm going to click on open button. It's open on the Edge browser and I have already logged in. That's why here it's not ask username password, directly opening my account. But in case if you are not logged in your browser, it will ask enter the username and password. Then you will access the Postman, right? So I'm going to click on this button. I'm going to click on this link. I'm going to click on my username. Clicked here. Yeah, then it's pop-up. One pop-up appeared. The site is trying to open Visual Studio Code. So it's asking the permission. So click on open button and you will see here, click on open again and to allow. Now it's loading and here you can see it is automatically imported my current workspace. This is April 2023. I have here few APIs collections which I created earlier, and that is automatically uploaded here. But if you don't have any collection in your Postman, then it will give you the blank. Now, here we have options to create the environment. Okay. This is the collection. So if you want to create new collections, click on this and then click on here. New collection is added. Same interface what we get in the Postman, same interface you can see here. So this is suppose that collection September 2023 is created here. Now, here we can add the request. Similar way, we are using the Postman. Okay. And if we have existing, we can run also and see, send the request, response, you can see here. So our same interface you can get here what we are getting in the Postman. Here we have option to select the environment. So this environment already created in my workspace. So that's why I am able to get here. Now, test, prerequisite, body, headers, authorization, params, all these feature what you observe, what you have in the, you have seen in the Postman, same features you can get here. So here in the Postman, directly we can develop the test API test by using the Visual Studio Code. Okay, we have option here to click. You will see the environment, right? Add the new environment if you want. Environment and collection you can create. You can here there is HTTP, WebSocket, GPR, gRPC, and we can also import the curl command. These four features are available, which we have seen here. Create HTTP, WebSocket, gRPC request, import curl command, right? Edit and send request from the workspace history, create cookie, all these are available. Hope this will be helpful to understand the Postman Visual Studio Code extension, and you will enjoy to use this extension with your Visual Studio Code. Thanks for watching the video. And if you have any query, leave a comment